Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing this beginner friendly 5-minute wig install, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is with this 13x4 versatile front and back curly edges lace frontal curly wig in 18 inches. Now this wig specifically comes in a bun, you guys, and it has the realistic kinky edges in the front and the back, and this wig is from Ilikehair. So right now I'm just giving you guys a close-up as to how the wig comes, literally fresh out the box. This is how the wig comes, you guys, and basically it's meant for you to install it just like this. Okay, that is everything that came inside the box. Ilikehair makes sure that they send you everything that you need in order to have a flawless and easy wig install. So again, I'm just going to give you guys a close-up, especially of those kinky edges in the front and the back. Now the wig cap in itself does have the combs and the adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So the first thing that you want to do is cut off that additional lace in the back. Now the main thing that I love about this unit is the fact that it comes in that messy bun. However, this is not a full 360 wig. 360 wigs are normally used to do high ponytails, etc. But I am not a 360 girl. So the way that this particular wig is designed is that the back is more so like a closure, but the front is giving you a full 13x4, which I think is great. The way that this wig is designed is perfect, and you do not have to worry about trying to blend it and make it look natural, because those kinky edges do that job for you. All right, so the first thing that I'm doing is just making sure the wig is nice and secure on my head. You are going to adjust that adjustable strap to your preference. So as you guys see, the wig was already on my head, but I adjusted it a little bit more just to make it a little bit more snug and more comfortable. So that's another thing that I really love about this unit as well. So the first thing that I'm doing is combing these baby hairs back, because we are going to cut off all this additional lace that we do not need, and you want to make sure that you are cutting right in front of the hairline. You don't want to cut any of the baby hairs. Alright, all this additional lace is off, so I'm just making sure everything looks okay. And this is a close-up, you guys. As you guys can see, those kinky edge baby hairs are definitely looking very natural. My natural baby hairs are not as thick as these ones, however, it still looks pretty natural on me, so I was satisfied. So to secure the lace down, we're just going to use some lace adhesive spray. You guys know I use this all the time. I do not use glue. So I'm just going in with a couple of rounds of this. I'm going to wait until it gets tacky, and then I'm going to lay that lace down. As you guys can see, the lace is starting to look secure, so we are going to really let this thing melt, and I'm using the elastic band that Ilikehair sent in the package. I let it sit for about like 10 minutes or so, and then I went in with a round of lace melting spray, and I just dabbed a little bit of that right on top of the lace, and then I let it melt again for like another like 5 to 10 minutes. Lace is officially secure, you guys, and one of the main reasons why I said that this is a beginner friendly 13x4 full lace wig install is because we did not have to do too much work to get this lace to melt, because of those realistic kinky edges that Ilikehair put on this wig. It's great. So as you guys can see, I was just dabbing just a little bit more makeup anywhere where I saw the lace and it looked a little bit too light. I just dabbed a little bit more makeup on there just to make sure it's looking natural. And right now I'm just making sure that none of the baby hairs still have hairspray on it from when I was securing the lace down earlier. And honestly, you guys, that is all that we had to do. I left this wig wig exactly how it came because that's what it's meant for. The messy bun is super cute, and no, I did not bleach the knots. I forgot to tell you guys that earlier. I did not bleach the knots at all. I did not customize this wig at all. All we did was take her out the box and go ahead and install her, and you guys, look, how natural does she look? Like, this is my hair, okay? This is definitely my hair, and honestly, I think that it's super cute. It's giving summer. It's giving I got errands to run and I didn't feel like doing my hair. I definitely think that this wig is perfect for anybody who just needs to have it in their collection and they just want something that's quick, simple, and easy. Of course, you could take the hair out of the bun as well. So I did go outside just to show you guys what that wig is looking like outside in the natural sunlight, and again, lace wear. Like, she's looking extremely natural. I was honestly very, very, very impressed. So as always, I will have the direct link to this unit listed in my description box. Make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. I also have a coupon code for you guys as well, so you don't want to miss out on that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to Ilikehair for this beautiful beginner realistic kinky edges wig.